Rain falls from the sky due to a natural process called precipitation. When water vapor in the atmosphere condenses into water droplets, it forms clouds. These clouds contain millions of tiny droplets that collide and merge with each other. When the droplets become too heavy to stay suspended in the air, they fall as rain. The raindrops gather in the clouds until they become large enough to overcome air resistance and gravity pulls them down to the Earth's surface. Rain is important for the ecosystem for several reasons. 1. Water supply. Rain provides essential moisture to replenish rivers, lakes, and underground water sources. It supports the growth of plants and vegetation, which act as the primary source of food and habitat for many organisms. 2. Plant growth. Rainwater provides plants with the necessary hydration for photosynthesis. This process enables plants to convert sunlight into energy and produce oxygen, which is crucial for all living organisms. 3. Biodiversity. Rain stimulates the growth of various plant species, promoting biodiversity. A diverse range of plants supports a variety of animal species, including insects, birds, mammals, and reptiles. 4. Nutrient cycling. Rain carries nutrients from the atmosphere and deposits them into the soil, promoting the recycling of essential elements. These nutrients support the growth of plants and contribute to the overall health of the ecosystem. 5. Habitats and ecosystems. Many aquatic ecosystems, such as lakes, rivers, and wetlands, depend on rainwater for their sustenance. Rainwater acts as a primary source of water for these habitats, providing a suitable environment for a wide range of organisms. Overall, rain plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance and functioning of ecosystems by providing water, supporting plant growth, promoting biodiversity, and facilitating nutrient cycling. Rain is essential for plant growth because it provides plants with water, which is a key component in various biological processes. Water plays a crucial role in photosynthesis, enabling plants to produce glucose, energy, from sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. Additionally, water is necessary for nutrient uptake by plant roots, as it helps dissolve minerals in the soil and transport them to the different parts of the plant. Adequate water supply also maintains turgor pressure in plant cells, ensuring structural integrity and overall plant health. In summary, rain provides the water necessary for plants to carry out essential biological functions, enabling their growth and survival. Rain creates puddles because of the way water interacts with different surfaces. When it rains, the water falls from the sky and lands on the ground. If the ground is not perfectly flat or has imperfections, such as small depressions or unevenness, water can collect in those areas, forming puddles. Additionally, the absorption rates of different surfaces can also contribute to the formation of puddles. Impermeable surfaces, such as concrete or asphalt, do not allow water to penetrate and absorb into the ground easily, leading to the accumulation of water on the surface and the creation of puddles. Rain sounds calming to many people for several reasons. 1. White noise effect. The sound of rain produces a consistent, steady, and soothing background noise, similar to white noise. This constant sound can help mask or drown out other unwanted noises, creating a peaceful and calming atmosphere. 2. Association with relaxation. Many individuals associate rain with relaxing activities such as reading a book, taking a nap, or enjoying a warm drink. This association can trigger a sense of relaxation and comfort when hearing the sound of rain. 3. Nature's lullaby. The rhythmic pattern and gentle pitter-patter of raindrops can resemble a natural lullaby. This repetitive and soothing sound can help induce a state of relaxation, aiding in sleep or stress reduction. 4. Psychological impact. For some, rain symbolizes cleansing, renewal, and growth. The sound of rain can evoke feelings of freshness, tranquility, and a connection with nature, leading to a sense of calmness. It's important to note that individual experiences and preferences may vary. While many people find rain sounds calming, others may have different responses to various sounds. Rain sometimes has a distinctive smell due to a phenomenon known as petrichor. Petrichor is the earthy scent that is released when rain falls on dry soil or rocks. It is caused by a combination of factors including the release of oils and compounds from plants, bacteria in the soil, and the moistening of dry surfaces. These factors create a distinct aroma that many people find refreshing or nostalgic. Rainbows are created when sunlight passes through raindrops in the atmosphere. When sunlight enters a raindrop, it refracts, or bends, as it moves from air to water. This bending of light separates it into its component colors, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, creating a spectrum. The light then reflects off the inner surface of the raindrop and exits the drop. As the light exits the raindrop, it refracts again and further separates into the colors of the spectrum. This process of refraction, reflection, and further refraction causes the rainbow to form. Rain helps to wash away pollution due to a process called wet deposition. When it rains, the water droplets capture pollutants present in the air, such as dust, smoke, and other particles. As the raindrops fall to the ground, they carry these pollutants with them, effectively removing them from the atmosphere and depositing them on the Earth's surface. This process helps to cleanse the air and reduce pollution levels. However, it's important to note that rain cannot eliminate all types of pollution, especially those that are chemical or toxic in nature. Rain contributes to the water cycle because it is a part of the process of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation that makes up the cycle. When rain falls, it is the result of water vapor in the atmosphere cooling and condensing into liquid droplets. These droplets then join together and become heavy enough to fall to the ground as rain. Once on the ground, the rainwater can be absorbed by plants, flow into rivers and streams, or seep into the ground to replenish groundwater. Eventually, this water will evaporate and re-enter the atmosphere, continuing the water cycle. Rain intensity and duration can vary due to several factors. 1. Atmospheric conditions. The intensity and duration of rain can be influenced by the amount of moisture present in the atmosphere. If there is a large amount of moisture, it can lead to heavier and prolonged rainfall. 2. Temperature and air mass interactions. Different air masses with varying temperatures can interact with each other, leading to the formation of rain clouds. These interactions, along with other factors like wind patterns, can determine the intensity and duration of rainfall. 3. Topography. The geographical features of an area, such as mountains or hills, can affect rain patterns. When moist air encounters an obstacle like a mountain, it is forced to rise, resulting in increased rainfall on the windward side, whereas the leeward side experiences less rain. 4. Weather systems. Rainfall can be influenced by weather systems like low-pressure systems, tropical cyclones, or fronts. These systems can bring significant amounts of rainfall and affect its intensity and duration. 5. Seasonal variations. Rainfall patterns often change with seasons. For example, in tropical regions, there may be distinct wet and dry seasons. The intensity and duration of rain can vary accordingly. 6. Climate change. Climate change can also impact rainfall patterns. Changes in temperature, precipitation patterns, and atmospheric conditions can lead to altered rainfall intensity and duration. Overall, the combination of these factors and their interactions determine the variation in rain intensity and duration.